Hello friends, this is Ray and welcome back to the Port of Indecision. If this is your first time to the channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our travel adventures. There's no passport required, and the best part of your subscription, it's free. In this episode, we're going to give you an up-close and honest review of the room we stayed in while visiting Sandals, Montego Bay, Jamaica. We stayed in the Sea Grapes building and our room was 916 and our room category was a Crystal Lagoon, Honeymoon, Oceanview, luxury room with balcony tranquility soaking tub. Thanks for selecting this video, and if you like it, please remember to give it a thumbs up. It helps the channel to grow. And if you have questions or comments, please leave them. I'll respond to them all. So now, let's go and check out the room at Sandals, Montego Bay.
We sailed from the port of Indecision.
Our room was located in number 1 Sea Grapes building, which you can see by the highlighted yellow arrow. We were in room 916 on the second floor. The Sea Grapes building is a short distance from the main part of the resort, but one of the things it does is gives you an opportunity to take in the beauty of the resort. All of these plants and flowers that are meticulously cared for. And here's a view from the side of the Sea Grapes building. Some of the pretty plants that just are all surrounding this beautiful lagoon pool in the back of the Sea Grapes building.
And this is room 916. As you enter the room, it's a long hallway. And immediately to the left, you have a hallway light. And then what's really nice feature is they have a do not disturb button. So if you do not want the housekeeping to come in, you'll just press that. It turns red. If you require housekeeping, you press that and it'll turn green. Standard locks on the door. That's really nice. No smoking, and I believe the whole resort is non-smoking. Turning back, the bathrooms to the left. You have 2 light switches here for the bathroom. A nice hallway light. And as we walk into the suite, this is an OLX Honeymoon Oceanview suite. You have a ceiling fan. King size bed. Here's a control for the fan and also a light. And here you have the thermostat control, and it's really nice. You can take it down to 68 degrees or see how far it'll go. 65 is the lowest, as it gets pretty warm here in Jamaica. There's your air conditioning unit. A full-length mirror. Here by the stand you have 2 outlets, 2 110 outlets. And then on top of this, you have 2 USBs, an HDMI. It looks like a jack for an audio. And then there's this blue button here is for Bluetooth, probably to connect to the TV. The TV looks to be about a 60-inch LG. And here we have our wet bar with the ice bucket. A Twin Oaks bottle of Cabernet, or this is a Shiraz. And this is with the Robert Mondavi Winery. Tea and coffee. And you have a fully stocked bar, which we were told they stock between 10 and 6 each day. And you can just request the different things you would like in there. Got a few Red Stripes, some Coke, some Sprite, and it looks like a bottle of Chardonnay in there. And then again, we have 2 plug outlets for the coffee pot. And here we have our closet. Comes with an ironing board, an iron, extra pillows, a blanket, which I don't think we'll need. Also comes with 2 of the famous Sandals robes, a luggage rack, slippers, and then of course the important safe. On this bedstand, if you're coming over across the pond, you've got the European outlet or the English outlet, but there are 2 USB ports here. You have 2 drawers, so plenty of nightstand space. Gives you a view of how large the king size bed is. On this side, 6 drawers, so plenty of place to store your clothes. A nice lamp. And if you're spending any time in your room, you got a nice sitting chair here. And then behind this lamp, there's again 2 plugs. And some more light switches. And some of the artwork. And on this side, you also have a nice, it's actually a wider nightstand, and you have your phone for all the services, 2 light switches, 2 USB ports, and 2 110 plugs. And then you have a mirror. So that's your room, and now looking back the full length of the room, you can see about how deep it is in the hallway. We'll show you the bathroom in a minute, but I want to take you outside because this room has double sliding glass doors, and when you open them up, you're coming out here to a soaking tub. You're probably asking yourself, who's going to soak in the middle of the Sandals Resort? Well, if you see, there are curtains on all sides of your patio, so you can draw those curtains. And then you have 2 nice chairs to sit out on the patio. We're on the 2nd story, so we're overlooking the swimming pool, which this is a pool everybody can use. We'll probably spend a lot of time here. It says it's an Oceanview room, but with the growth of the trees, I guess Oceanview, if you stare through some of these palms, you might see the water, but you truly don't have what I would call an Oceanview room. But it's beautiful, and the whole resort is just amazing. The colors and the plants and how well it's maintained. So again, there's your soaking tub. Another ceiling fan out here. Now let's go in and take a look at the bathroom. Now as we go back towards the bathroom door is on a sliding farmhouse type of door. The shower is actually very large, and it does not have a handheld, and we'll check out the shower pressure tomorrow, but beautifully done. Plenty of room. You have a niche here for all your soaps. And what's really nice is the controls to turn the water on are on the other side, so you don't have to worry about getting wet. A towel rack, and then a nice shelf to store things, or for the ladies to put their feet on to shave their legs. There's the toilet. And then what's really nice is they have 2 sinks, and there's plenty of storage room on the left and right, plenty of mirror space, so a couple can definitely get ready for evening dinner or whatever they're gonna have.
We really enjoyed our time at Sandals Montego Bay, and the Sea Grapes building was a very nice place to stay. It was quiet. We really enjoyed our room. There's always a few things with the rooms, but overall the bed, the shower, and the location of the room was perfect, and we would go back again. So thanks for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the Port of Indecision.